Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making chili shrimp or sambal shrimp. These are the ingredients for chili shrimp. These are the sting beans. You usually find them in the frozen section in your Asian store. Omit if you don't like them. These are the Indian bay leaves. We also have 2 pounds of shrimp or prawns. I like to buy the already deveined with shell on and just wash and pat them dry. First, we prepare the garlic. We want 1/4 cup chopped garlic or about 3 to 4 large cloves. Then we slice our shallots. We want about 1.5 cups of sliced shallots or about 3 large. Measurements and ingredients are in the description box. Heat up our pan and put 6 tablespoons of oil. Add 1.5 cups sliced shallots. Sauté until slightly brown. Push aside. Add 1/4 cup chopped garlic. Sauté until the garlic slightly turn color. Then combine with the shallots. Continue cooking until light brown. Then we add 1/2 cup ground chili and 8 Indian bay leaves. Continue cooking until the shallots and garlic are soft. Add our shrimps. Continue cooking until shrimp turn color. Add 1 tablespoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, and a little bit of salt to taste. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is a good time to do so. As always, thank you for your support. Continue cooking until shrimps are just cooked. Add the sting beans. Continue cooking until they are done. Turn off heat and put on a serving plate. Thank you for watching and see you next time.